现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。首先呢，还是教大家我们这个月要教的这个词叫做有时候 ，sometimes。
有丧事。
有丧事。那我要聊一个议题啊，其实有的时候就很挣扎，你知道吗？台湾很爱排队，对不对？因为很多美食值得排队，
尤其吃饭时间。
Yeah, there's a lot of great food in Taiwan, and you know, it's really debatable. Is it worth the wait for 2 hours or half an hour? It's so hard to decide sometimes. 有的时候排队如果是20-30分钟，我觉得还可以，可是有时候要排1-2个钟头，
那就换别间吃了。
哎呀，就不知道该不该排啊。所以我们今天就可以教这样子的一个状况啊。Okay, sometimes the wait here is going to be 2 hours, for instance, at a restaurant. Let's put you in this situation. 这间餐厅好多人 ，There's a lot of people at this restaurant.
亚健餐堂。
亚健餐堂。
懂你
哦，懂你就是很多人，懂 means a lot of means people, alright?
看到门口都是人啊。
对，然后可能要绕一圈的那种啊。哎呀，有的时候排队真的要排2个小时 ，right? Let's teach you that phrase. Sometimes there's a 2-hour wait here. 有时候排队要排2个小时。
有丧事。排列的。爱排2点钟。
爱排2点钟。Okay, 6点钟 that's 2 hours. 如果是3个小时也有这种的哦。
3点钟
that means 3 hours. But the important phrase right here is 排队，这个真的教得很好。来，排队怎么说？
排列的。
Okay, that means to get in line. Okay, 排队。我们还是吃别家的吧。Let's go eat at another place.
沿汉黑。是北京嘅好。
Okay, 是北京嘅 that means to go eat at another restaurant. 问题是去那边，又要排1个半钟头，怎么办啊？
有时候就是大家分开来去排。
Oh man, there are too many delicious food in Taiwan. That's why there's all these lines. Anyways, let's review these terms, all right? 像餐厅 a restaurant, how do you say that?
餐堂
and then to get in line 排队
排列的
and then 2个钟头2个小时
6点钟
that's 2 hours 3个小时
3点钟
那4个小时真的就算了啦
一般餐厅就2个半小时它差不多就可以出来了
Yes, and it's all about the phrase 有时候 sometimes
有丧事
and there you have it. That's today's Practical Hakka.
什么太卡
是谁张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.